Chapter 3. Phonic sound of E. Read aloud. Hen, bell, bed, keg, key, jet, egg, net, eat, eat, meat, eat, beat, eat, feet, eat, greet, eat, fleet, eat, sweet, eat, sheet, eat, tweet. Read and learn. Net, pet, wet, jet, bet, hen, fen, pen, den, men, egg, ear, eye, engine, eagle. Read and learn. I have a toothbrush, neat and clean, to brush my teeth every day. You have seen. I brush them every morning. I brush them every night. They all are shining, clean and bright. Read this rhyme. Ben has a hen. He took it for a yen. It lays eggs for men. The little hen is red. It lives in a shed. It does not need bed.